Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 electric bike motor wheel. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Electric Bike Conversion Kit. Specifications. Brand name, Ray. Motor type, brushless gear hub motor. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 36 to 48 volts. Type, electric bike conversion kit. Installation, rear or front. Size, 20-inch, 24, 26, 27.5, 28, 29, 700C. Certification, CE. Item number 4 is Electric Bike Motor Wheel Kit. Specifications. Motor type, brushless non-gear hub motor. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 72 volts. Power, 3000 watts. Max speed, apro 90 to 100 km per hour. Rim, Sun Ringle MTX 39. Certification, CE. As the item number 3 we've selected, 26-inch e-bike conversion kit. Specifications. Brand name, Bike. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 volts. Rated current, 20 amperes. No load speed, 45 to 55 km per hour. Rotating speed, 450 RPM. Rated torque, 25 Nm. Weight, 7.5 kilograms. Item number 2 is rear motor wheel. Specifications. Brand name, Ray. Motor type, brushless gear hub motor. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 36 volts. Installation, front wheel. Brake, V-brake, disc brake. Dropout, 100 mm motor wheel. Load speed, 35 km per hour. Certification, CE. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Ebike Motor Kit. Specifications. Brand name, Ebike. Wattage, 400 watts. Voltage, 48 volts. Design, brushless. Certification, CE.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.